We're here at Stora Nygatan 36, Gamla Stan, Stockholm, Sweden. Look at this. This gate, these doors, cast iron cab. Wow. It's dark in here. Has been a little modded, but still very neat. Go up to 4. It's kind of slow, but oh well. It's still an old motor. I think it's still on 2-speed AC. Here at 4, go back down to ground. This one just says B, not BV or whatever. Yeah, that's definitely still an old motor. This is an old wood cabin. Interesting shape in the back. Not as interesting as that blue lift and roped hydro in Denmark, though. Still pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of dark in here, unfortunately. Go back to BV. That's a cool gate. I've never seen a gate like that before. That's gonna be it.